Okay, class. So this morning, we are going to learn the facts about the fire. Okay? Again, this morning, we are going to learn about the facts of the fire. So fire can be used in many ways, light or heat. So fire is source of light, example, a candle, a gas lantern also, and fire is a source of heat. If there is no electricity, fire can provide heat. The sun warms our skin when we stand beneath it. Fire can also cook food and boil water. Our most natural source of fire is the sun. Okay, again, class, what is the most natural source of fire? All right, so the sun. Okay, the sun is our most natural source of fire. Okay, so these are examples of natural light. So we have here stars, we have sun, and we have moon. Okay, so these three are the example of natural light. Okay, one more time. Stars, sun, and moon. So these are examples of natural light. Next one, we have artificial light. We have fire, flashlight, and candle. So these three are examples of artificial light: fire, flashlight, and candle. Artificial light is made up of human. Natural light is naturally has a fire or it's already hot. So let's do an activity about the natural light. So how to answer? Choose the object that has natural light. So for example, firefly is an example of natural light. Sun is an example of natural light. And the stars have a natural light. Okay, so these are the objects that have natural light. Now, the next one is choose the object that has artificial light. So which of the pictures have an artificial light? So let's have, okay, this picture is a gas lantern. So it has an artificial light, candle, and the last one is fire. So fire has an artificial, fire is an artificial light. So again, class, how many types of light we have? We have artificial light and natural light. All right, so that would be all for today. I hope we learned something. And don't forget to answer your portfolio. Goodbye, class.